This is a TIPM, or Totally Integrated Power Module, for 2011 to 2012 Dodge Rams. Many truck owners deal with various issues relating to this module. So today, we're talking about the common symptoms of a failed TIPM and showing you the best way to get your truck back and running like it should. These TIPMs are an extremely common failure point for the Dodge Ram trucks from 2011 to 2012. This includes all of the 1500 to 3500 models. The typical symptoms include issues with the fuel pump, power door locks, windshield wipers, wiper fluid, backup lights, and horn. Failure of the TIPM can result in one or multiple of these issues at the same time, but usually the first indication of a failing TIPM is related to the fuel pump. Unfortunately, sourcing the correct replacement part can sometimes prove to be a daunting task. These TIPMs can be very expensive, hard to find, and used parts can be a gamble as they're either already faulty or close to the end of their life. Some companies sell various fuel pump relay bypass solutions to fix any fuel pump issues. However, this is just a temporary patch for a more significant issue: failing relays in the TIPM. At Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture TIPMs for a fraction of the price of a new one. This rebuild targets the root cause of the failures. We address all known failure points of this module to ensure full functionality and protect against any future issues by fixing problems before they occur. Each unit is fully tested before leaving our facility. We offer the 11 to 12 Ram TIPMs as an exchange service. You simply provide your VIN, place your order, and we'll ship out a fully remanufactured TIPM the same day that your order is placed. We don't charge you for a core up front, so once you receive your TIPM, just place your old module in the box and ship it back to us. No programming will be required, and your TIPM will be backed by our 1-year warranty. We rebuild TIPMs in our state-of-the-art remanufacturing facility. Circuit Board Medics is fully equipped to address all types of PCB rework, including wire bonding and BGA rework. We combine world-class machinery with hands-on experience to rebuild and test electronics with great precision. If you're ready to get your truck back on the road, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.